ranges of subtropical and tropical rainforest. These birds are primarily white with black beaks, with a distinctive sulfur yellow crest sa kanilang mga ilang crest, and a yellowish color on the side wings. Its scientific name is Kakatua gallurita. Now, next featuring your birds is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. These birds are also called the great white-crested cockatoos. That is because they are recognizable among other cockatoos by its woolly white crest that faces like an umbrella. Its scientific name is Kakatua alba. So if you are to compare Tweety and Nigel, clearly Tweety has a yellow crest, meanwhile Nigel has a pure white crest. Now lastly, which trainer Jessie is our Moluccan cockatoo Snow. These birds are endemic to the Surround archipelago of eastern Indonesia. They're also called salmon-crested cockatoos. That is because of their pinkish white colored feathers. And they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Its scientific name is Kakatua.
Ang dami sila idining ugahod na iya. Kinapangtiro na ito ni Gary, ugahod sa apat na sila. Ugahod na iya. Ugahod sa kinandaw.
Now as you can hear, these birds are very loud and they can mimic almost any sound.
Pinuto lang pagpapaan.
Now, Tweety and Nigel, they can live up to 40 years old. Meanwhile, Snow and Bear, they can live up to 70 years old. And so that is it for pictures of cockatoos here in Cebu Park. Once again, our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety, and our umbrella cockatoo Nigel.
Ugahod na silang space.